All right, so I've just been, scrolling, looking for like the perfect headphones, basically. The headphones that is just gonna give me this flat response, balanced response that I can use for mixing and actually get the right mixing. Then I stumbled across these Olo audio headphones, and the price was crazy. So I just had to go on YouTube, watch some reviews about it just to see what people are saying about it. And so far, so good. Yeah, the response was so good. So, but the price was, was kind of too much for me. But yeah, man, watch lots of, how it is now when you're looking for a new gadget. You just watch reviews and watch reviews till you are really convinced, even though you know that that's still what you want to get. But so after the whole review, I just went back to Low Audio, and I saw they were doing an endorsement program. I basically just applied for the endorsement program, and I got it. And I just wait, and I had a knock on the door. The headphones just arrived, and the joy when what you were expecting arrives. And I was so excited, couldn't just wait to unbox it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna unbox it and show you guys what's in the box and also my reaction, using this for the first time. Yep, okay, so let's basically just unbox it. Thank you. Yep, music professionals, imagine a world without music. So just imagine a world without music, man. This is gonna be a very, very boring world. I'm just gonna check this out and hopefully get that flat frequency that I am after. So not much talk, let's just open this up, man. Okay, save the planet. You can't listen to music in space. Oh, I like all this right up. Amazing. Okay, so let's open this up quickly, man. Yeah. Another layer. And on this layer, I said perfect tuning goes by many names: flat, balanced, or neutral sound. So basically, you're saying it's flat, it's balanced, and it has a neutral sound. And we call it the X1. Ooh, man, I love this packaging. I love the packaging, man. I love the boxing. But let's see what we have here. What's this gonna be? Oh, endorsement access. Ooh, nice. So let's just go to the main thing. Let's put this away. Yeah, so for me, man, I just really love this packaging. This is like a very nice carry bag, and just imagine going out to work and you just have this in your hand, man. I love it. I love the carry package, man. This is amazing. Touching it feels really quality. I can't wait to see it, and I'm sure you guys also can't wait to see what's inside it. So let's see. Are you ready? Damn, I love this. I love the brown and black. It's classy. Oof. Yeah, it looks really premium, man. This is metal quality. I love this. So we have this, and the good thing about it is that all these parts, are replaceable. So in case after a long usage, these parts get to wear off, you can just quickly and easily just change it. They have parts where you can change each of this. But this is this is metal, really premium quality, man. I love the quality. So yeah, I think it's really what I've not put it on my ear, but I think so far so good. The quality is what the price. So what we have here. Oh, we have our cables. Okay, so this goes to the headphones, and this goes to the interface. Nice. I think that's all. But yeah, man, so far so good. This looks premium. This looks quality, and I'm just gonna be testing that out now, and let's see what it sounds like. All right, so let's just connect this and hear what it sounds like. But so far so good. So soft. Like I think I can wear this for hours, and I'm not even gonna feel like anything is on my ear. Like it's just like nothing is actually on my ear. And from the manual they also said you shouldn't press it, so it's just like you should pick it up and just drop it. All right, so let's just connect the cords and play some music with it. Okay, yeah, that's fixed. Okay. Yeah, but guys, this is amazing. The sound quality is amazing. You definitely want to go check this out. Like, trust me, man, when I say it's amazing, it's amazing. So now I'm gonna be getting more of an accurate mix, especially when I'm using headphones, because this headphone is balanced, is flat. You are getting the exact sound as it is. And the good thing again is, if you're using the real phones, there's a way you can also calibrate these headphones to fit it to whatever you want it to sound like. So for me, I would say this is a 9/10. An amazing headphones. Nice. I love it, man. And you guys should just go check it out, man.